आज कैबिनेट की और कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स ये दोनों बैठकें हुई और दोनों बैठकों में आर्थिक जगत में और सामान्य आम जन के लिए अहम फैसले लिए गए। टुडे कैबिनेट took an important decision for 6,000 crore rupees of capital infusion in National Investment and Infrastructure Fund in next 2 years. Today's decision is the beginning in a major way where government will invest 6,000 crore, NIIF will mobilize 7,000 crore rupees as equity. It will mobilize from bond markets all over the world nearly 1 lakh crore rupees. Thus, it will provide in the first tranche 1,10,000 crore rupees for infrastructure development company. This will be done through two companies, Asim Infra Finance Limited, which will finance greenfield and brownfield projects which are under construction. NIIF, IFL will finance mature operating assets. So basically this will take care of the finance needs of infrastructure development which has been planned and which is very ambitious. So Lakshmi Vilas Bank will be amalgamated with Development Bank India Limited, a private bank. The 20 lakh depositors and 20,000 crore deposits are now fully secured. They need not worry, they need not rush. Their deposits are in the best hands, which is a stable bank, a prosperous bank, which has an international presence, which has a very strong balance sheet, which has a capital adequacy, board which has been removed. The liability will be fixed, and those who have made mistakes will be punished. And there will be improvement in overall oversight also, so as not to repeat such. This is one of the big effort of cleaning up of banking system. Today the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs allowed FDI by ATC Asia Pacific Limited to the tune of rupees 2,480 crores 216 rupees per share for purchasing 12% stock of ATC Telecom. Now the total FDI in this company will be 5,417. It is nearly 98%, and therefore it came before the cabinet. This also suggests that the international community sees to the India as a robust market, robust growth. ATC Telecom thus will have 90% FDI, as I said. It will improve innovations. It will spur economic growth. It shows the shape of the things to come. And therefore, all these three decisions today are very important.